Alright everybody, welcome back. This is our 3-box recap from our 2014 Topps Stadium Club 3-box break number 1, brought to you by Guzman_15 on eBay. First off, we have the silver foil parallels here. We have Wheeler, Profar, Molina, Trumbo, Longoria, Fernandez, Cingrani, Harvey, Golds, Kipnis, Cruz, and Cabrera. Luminous, Strasburg, Wainwright, and Stanton. Legends, Musial, Ryan, and Griffey. Die cuts for the future stars, Tanaka, Puig, and Cole. Beam team, Scherzer, Cano, and Trout. Field access, McCutchen, Jeter, Mays, Aaron, Johnson, Clemens, Ryan, Cano, Musial, Mauer silver out of 99, and Kershaw out of 50, 23 of 50 gold. 2 foil cards out of 25, Roger Clemens and Anibal Sanchez. Our base autos, Hollins, Anderson, Mercenic, Blackman, Sardinas, Haney, Alcantara, Eric Johnson, and we had a gold parallel Mike Zunino. So that does it for the break. Thanks again everybody for joining, and we'll see you later.